Hello there, and thanks for watching this introductory video for my latest tutorial. It's basically what it is. It's a tutorial teaching you how I personally, as an artist, I plan a major watercolor, such as in this case, it's going to be called the Red Boat. You saw the photographs at the beginning. What a beautiful place. If you can't get inspiration here, you never will. And the red boat in question was one of the neighbours. Um, and as you can see, I mess up the first one, but we do all right in the second one. My name's David Walker. I'm an artist based in Wales. I've been painting for 30 odd years. So if you want the benefit of my experience, give it a go, sign up. Of course, you've got it for life. You can ask me questions in the Q&A section if you have any problems, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. All right, so I'll see you in the first lesson. All the best.